Yeah, I think the big one that we get a lot of feedback on is leaders saying, I've got this fabulous, talented, accomplished woman who works in my team, and yet she doesn't speak up. She's not visible. If I ask a question and she's unprepared, it's like she goes to water. So the opportunity here is to start to understand why that is. And quite a few of you put an intention in today, which was around those kind of things. And so understanding what's going on for you and why our brains get so hijacked at the thought of being in the spotlight is one of the things that we know makes a difference to how you show up.
Now, how do we start to unpack and amplify our skill, capability, experience, and what's the journey that we go on? We call it the 4 A's. And today we're going to dig deep into amplification or amplify, hence the name. But I think we want to just take a moment to frame up this journey and why it's so important for you.
Yeah, I think it is very much a journey here. It would be lovely if we could just leapfrog into the amplification and off we could go. But our experience in our coaching work and having done this for many years with executives of all genders is what we've learned is there's a process here. And the first piece is what we've already started to dig into and started to think about, and that's very much around awareness. The more self-awareness we have, the more consciousness we have around things, the more we are going to be able to make good and informed decisions. This is not about getting everything right and perfect. It's about understanding that there are consequences. There are consequences when I say yes, potentially sometimes when I say yes too frequently, there's burnout. But there's also consequences when I say no and shut down and play small. And where's the right level for me? Where's that optimum place for me to thrive? And the more consciousness we bring to the choices we make, the more we dig in and explore and understand what's going on for us. We often call it the iceberg, what's going on beneath the surface. The more likely we are to make choices that are aligned with our truth and really take us towards what we most want in our careers and in our life.